What if I told you there's a way to unlock a full year of Cursor AI Pro, completely free, no credit card, no trial countdown? This isn't a loophole, and it's not some expired promo code either. It's a student-friendly offer that's official, global, and crazy useful. Let's be real, coding in 2025 can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded. But what if you had an AI assistant that actually helps, from debugging to explaining code, and even writing it? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to get Cursor AI Pro for free, and yes, it works even if you're not in the United States. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you a clever method to make your free access go even further, using legit features most users overlook. So grab your keyboard, maybe a snack, and let's unlock the full power of Cursor AI, the smart and ethical way. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser and head to cursor.com or Cursor Student Plan, that's the official website for Cursor AI. Click on Sign in the top right corner. You'll see options to sign in with GitHub or email. Choose email. Now, here's the important part. Make sure you use your official Edu email address or your institution's student email domain. Why? Because Cursor has a special plan for students and it automatically recognizes academic emails. Enter your name, your email, and create a secure password. Then hit Create Account. Next, head to your inbox, grab the confirmation code, and paste it to verify your account. Didn't get it? Check your spam or promotions tab, it's probably hiding there. Once verified, you'll be redirected to your Cursor dashboard. You're almost there. Alright. We've officially landed on our dashboard, nice work. But here's the thing, we're still on the free plan. So now, let's level up and unlock that 1-year premium access, completely free. Let's dive in and make it happen. Now, open a new tab and then search for Cursor Student. Next, click on the first link. So, right on the homepage of the Cursor website, you'll see a message that says, Verified University students get 1 year of free Cursor Pro. That's your golden ticket. Just below that, there's a button that says Verify Status. Go ahead and click on it, that's our next move. Now, we're in the next phase, filling out the verification form. This step is super important, so take your time. Make sure to read every instruction carefully before entering your details. One small mistake here could ruin your shot at the free Cursor Pro plan, and we don't want that. Alright, I'm going to fill out the form now. Just watch and follow along so you don't miss any key steps. And hey, while I'm doing that, this is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Because in the next video, I'm revealing how to get unlimited Cursor free trials, yes, unlimited, with full premium features that are still working right now. You don't want to miss that. An email will be sent to you to verify your email, and also you will be required to verify using academic institution credentials. Your academic institution's portal will open in a new window for you to verify using your login information. Alright, on this page, to move forward with your registration, you'll need to upload a document that proves your student status. Now listen carefully, because this part is super important. Your document must show 3 things. 1. Your full name exactly as you entered it in the form. 2. The school's name or logo, it can be full or abbreviated. 3. And a date that's either from this academic year or no more than 90 days old. Don't skip the fine print, missing even one of these can get your application rejected. So double check before you upload. If you've got your document ready, go ahead and click on Add Document. But hey, if you don't have it just yet, don't stress. Cursor's got your back. They'll automatically send an email to the address you provided with a direct link back to this step. So you can grab your document later, come back, and pick up exactly where you left off, no pressure, no panic. Oh, and here's one of the best parts. If you verify your account using your school's login portal, boom, you're golden. No need to upload any documents, no screenshots, no PDFs. Just smooth sailing straight through verification. So if your school shows up on the list, use that option. It's faster, easier, and way less hassle. Once you verify your email, Cursor will prompt you to apply for a student discount, and yes, at this stage, you'll be asked to enter a payment method. But don't worry, you won't be charged. This step is just for verification purposes to confirm your identity. You can use any payment method you're comfortable with, bank account, virtual card, whatever works for you. And boom, we're in. After verification, you'll be redirected right back to your Cursor dashboard, and check this out, Pro activated. I've got access to the premium model with 500 credits, unlimited access to the free model, and the best part. Those request credits? They refresh every 31 days. All this, 100% free, just for verifying with a student email. Not bad. And look at this, just checked my inbox, and Cursor sent me a sweet little welcome email, but it's way more than just a hello. They broke down everything I'm getting with this free 1-year plan, and it's stacked: unlimited Cursor tab completions, 500 premium model requests every month. We're talking big names like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini 2.5 Pro, GPT 4.1, unlimited GPT 4o mini and Cursor small usage, and yes, unlimited premium model access too. All of that, for free, just because I verified with a student email. And the cherry on top? This offer lasts for a full year. Crazy, right? Alright, let's be clear, this isn't some stripped-down demo. You just scored full-stack access to pro-level tools that developers and creators pay top dollar for. And the craziest part? You did it in less time than it takes to reboot your Wi-Fi. Now imagine what you could build with all this power, for free. If this video helped you even a little, don't just watch and bounce, smash that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe right now because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited Cursor Pro trials. Yes, unlimited, even after your 1 year runs out. No credit card, no tricks, just strategy. Drop a comment if you made it this far, say Cursor unlocked so I know you're part of the smart squad. You've got the tools. Now go build something awesome.